Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf and I'm going to be unboxing this Big Into Energy Labubu set in this video. Also, very happy birthday to Nikki, whose birthday is this week. I hope you are having or have had a great day. So, I've got these from a place called Cult Neo, and Cult Neo was selling them for roughly the same price that Pop Mart was selling them for. So I thought, oh hey, maybe if I buy them from here, because Pop Mart was really difficult to get them from at the time, and I kept missing out, maybe they'll be official. I'll tell you now, they're not official. I can tell that from looking at the packaging. So how to tell official Labubus from ones that aren't official? By just looking at the packaging, you can see the quality of the print is the main way to tell what's official and what isn't. And also the Pop Mart ones have a little hologram of authenticity on them, which these don't. They came like this. They were not sealed at all. And you can just open up the box like that. Now the box has a Big Into Energy shiny thing on it. And the individual boxes inside do not, which is another way of telling that they are not official. So if you want to watch me unbox these, feel free. So they've got a load of things here on the side. You can see, I don't know if you can see there, the quality of the print is not the best, especially on the red one there, which I believe is the Chinese version of TikTok, which is called Red Note. And there is no hologram here. Normally the boxes do have this. Some even some of the fake ones do have the holographic thing here. And I could instantly tell just by looking at that there is no hologram there. These are not official. And it is very annoying because Cult Neo, and I will warn you now about websites like that, they had a load of reviews with photos. And people were like doing unboxing and saying, oh yes, they are official. They are official. They are, you know, all the photos looked official. I was looking at them and I thought, oh, this is brilliant. You know, no, I think they've taken those photos from somewhere else in an effort to get people to spend money. Like I said, I did spend money on them thinking that they were possibly official. I have pre-ordered the ones at Pop Mart as well, so I'll still get the official ones anyway. But yeah, the quality of the print, etc. is not brilliant. But I can, when the official ones do arrive, which won't be till September, I can actually compare them. So I can compare the unofficial ones with the official ones. And actually my dad said, well, if they are fakes, just keep them and then you can just, I don't think I can return them anyway, but then you can just compare them with the official ones. Anyway, so let's take a look at this one. So who do we have to begin with? Well, that's just useless. Let's just open it this way, shall we? So the boxes don't open properly. So I'm not going to get the card out that comes with it. In these sets, there should be one of each colour that you see here. Possibly the secret one. I do have, which is this one here. That's the secret one. I do have one of those. It is not an official one. And I bought it knowing it wasn't official. I got it off eBay. So let's have a look. Well, for a start off, these are resealable bags. So, which is quite useful, but the official ones don't have resealable bags. So we have the little purple one to start with, and the feet are very wonky. The hands are also very wonky, and the first thing that you notice with the unofficial Labubus is they're not underwired, so they've got no wire inside them at all. They're just little plushies, and the hands and feet are slightly wonky. Now the face is cute. I actually do have another one of these purple ones. I will show it to you. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so this is my other unofficial little purple Labubu, and you can see that it looks, if you know what you're looking at, it does look more like the official version of this Labubu. This one's eyes are very vibrant, and it definitely doesn't look as good as the other fake one I have. And the claws are the wrong colour, and see, they're much darker. And yeah, even this one that I got off eBay, like knowing it was fake, is better than this one that I've just taken out here. Is the head, yeah, the head does turn. But yeah, it's a little bit tacky. This one also didn't come with the purple one, it came with like an orange one. It's got the Monsters and Pop Mart written on it. There. But yeah, you can see the feet are not very good, and it's not the best. But I suppose if I have this on my bag instead of an official one and anyone steals it, well, joke's on them because it's not a real one. The other thing that comes, oh, I don't know, I'll put him back there. Or her, they're actually all girls. And here is, oh yes, that's quality, that is. Now the official cards are plastic. This is cardboard. And the photos that this Cult Neo supplied on their website had like the plastic cards. I don't know, there may even be metal with these, but they're certainly not cardboard for the official ones. So yeah, I can reuse the bag, I suppose, because it's resealable, but a bit rubbish. Okay, let's try the second one. I'm just going to run through each of these. I'm not going to do much talking now because I think I've blathered enough. But I will get the card out afterwards because the card does reveal which one is actually in the thing. Oh, this one's the blue one. Wow, look at the quality there of the paint on it. I haven't even got the teeth in the right place. And the eyes are actually, how they printed them is kind of blurry as well. And the feet, oh my goodness. I mean, this one has got these feet here. This one seems to have like 2 left feet instead of 1 foot with that on and 1 foot with the pop mart thing on. And I will be putting in the description of this, do not buy from Cult Neo because they are a scam site. I mean, look at his face, look at the smile. It's way up one side and it's just not in the normal place. So that's that one. Does it have a nicely crappily printed little card? Look at that, the quality is abysmal. I mean, what was their printer doing when it printed that out? Okay, third one. I'm gonna have an army of fakes here. So this one is this is the surprise one. I actually got, yay, the rare one. Even though it's crap. Look at it. I'm very sorry if anyone's offended by my language. I think that the word crap is probably a not as bad a swear word as what I could say. It's rubbish, okay? And the little hands are all kind of coming out. I'm trying to push it back in again. That is awful. That really is terrible. I wasted my money on these. I might try and get my money back, actually. This is just yuck. Certainly not what was advertised. Oh, wow. That one's not even in colour. Okay, next. Well, I hope I get loyalty because I really want the one that's sort of like pink and orange. I'm going to be annoyed if I don't get loyalty because that one's like my favourite colour and I was hoping that above all I'd get that. Oh, well, look at that. It's loyalty. And the only reason I took that out was because it was at the top. I'm going to have a lot of recycling to do. Here we go. Wow. Look at that. That's eye blinding, isn't it? That's incredible. You can see that coming at you from the dark. Oh, God. I mean, these aren't just fakes. These are like... I mean, the ones that I got on eBay are better than this. Look how loose the head is. Oh, wow. You could have a headbang at a blooming rock concert. Or something. That's just terrible. I said he again, didn't I? She, they were girls. So the one that I really wanted... is probably the worst. I'm actually sat down here, so I'm just reaching over. Next, who will we have now? What other wonder of nature? It's a pink one. The little pink one. Again, the eyes are a bit better, but what is that? I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like a little red blob in there. It's like on the paper inside the eye. Look at those toes. Someone went mad with the nail polish. And she's got an orange one as well. I'm guessing they're missing some colours. Oh, this is just such a rip-off. Why did I spend money on these? And that is terrible as well. The printing quality is just... I don't love this one. It's called Love. I don't love it. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Let's see which colour this is. It's either going to be the green one or Love, Luck, Happiness, Serenity. Oh, it's the blue one. His ears stuck out. Yeah, because I got the green one, didn't I? Okay, so that's the blue one. He's got, or she's got something. It's not a dead bug, it's fine. Yeah, she has something in her eye as well. These little feet that are facing the wrong way. I mean, the fur's nice, but everything else is... The teeth aren't too bad on that. They're not brilliant, but... Hope. So we've got love, hope. Which one are we missing? I think it's the green one. Loyalty, the surprise one. Oh no, we got serenity. That's serenity. Is it happiness, the orange one? Luck, hope, love. Yeah, so the only one we're missing is happiness. And I have to say, happiness is definitely what I lack here. Because these are appalling. They really are terrible. So there you go. I mean, I did get the rare one. And I do have... I bought this one off eBay as well, and I knew it was a fake. And I'll show you the one I got off eBay. And it's actually better than that one. A little bit, anyway. So, that's the one I got off eBay. It's slightly better. But it's not that much better. So yes, there you go. I've unboxed a whole box of 6 Labubus, and happiness is definitely what I'm lacking. If you want to see me unbox some of the official ones, I did do an unboxing of a couple of Have a Seat Labubus from Potmart, the official ones, so you can see that and see how much better they are. These are absolutely just terrible, but at least I can just hang them on things, and if they get stolen, well, meh, who cares. Yeah, so you can feel free to check that out, and you can click the other box as a playlist for like neat stuff, and yeah, enjoy. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.